Hello, my girls, and welcome to the class. Right now we have English, and we are going to talk about the rule of using who and whom. And if you can remember the last time we took it, and we said that who stand for the subject and whom stand for the object. And we said that who it will come before the verb and whom it will come after the verb. Okay, let's see right now this presentation to remember what is the thing that we talked about before, and then we will have some exercise on it. Okay, using who and whom. Now, who is the subject, and remember, whom is the object. If you can remember the shape that we said that making a sentence is like making a burger, and we need subject, verb, and object. Then, instead of the subject, sometimes we will remove the subject and put who if we want to ask about him. And sometimes we remove the object and we put whom instead of the object. طيب, how could I know, ya miss, if this subject or object usually and always focus on the verb on the sentence? Always the verb has all the power in the sentence. The verb has all the power. So if you want to know and determine where is the subject, follow the verb. If it comes before the verb, then it's subject. If it comes after the verb, then it is what? It is object. So the verb determines everything in the sentence. Why? Because the verb is the one that has all the power in the sentence. So if I want to know what is the subject, always search for the words before the verb. It will be the subject. Then I will remove it and put who. And then if the words come after the verb, they will be object. Then I will remove it and put whom. Okay, that's good. Then let's see with this with examples. Now, if I say, for example, Ahmed brought the kids. Okay, so I will come right here and determine where is the subject, where is the verb, and where is the object. Remember the sandwich? Then I will come to see. Ahmed brought the books, the kids. Where is the verb? The first thing I have to search about is the verb. What is the verb, girls?
Brought.
Ahmed is the verb.
Oh no, the verb is brought.
Brought. So brought here is the verb. And we said the verb is the one who determines everything. Then what is the word before the verb?
Then
What is the word before the verb?
the subject.
Yes, it is Ahmed, the subject. So here is the subject because we know subject always comes before the verb. طيب, the words after it is the kids. So the kids here is what?
Object.
Object. Excellent. So now we know the subject, verb, object. طيب, if I want to remove Ahmed here, he's the subject, and I want to put who or whom, what should I put?
Who?
Who. Why? Because it stands for the subject. So it's going to be who brought the kids? Who brought the kids? I'm asking here about the person who did the action, which it will be what? Ahmed.
Ahmed.
Who brought the kids? You will say Ahmed. Ahmed brought the kids. So who stands always as a subject and always comes before the verb. Understood, my girls? Any questions until now?
No.
Okay, let's go then for the object. The object, the same sentence, Ahmed brought the kids. Now, Ahmed is the subject. He's the one who's doing the verb. And brought here is the verb in the sentence. طيب, Ahmed brought what? Brought the kids. So kids here, again, it is object. And verb is brought. And Ahmed is subject. And if you can notice, the object always comes after the verb. So we said that the rule said that whom stands instead of the object. Then I would say it like this. Ahmed brought whom? I'm asking about what did he brought? Then I will say Ahmed brought the kids. What is the answer would be? It would be the kids. So Ahmed brought whom? The kids. This is the answer. So whom always stands instead of the object. This is easy until now? Easy peasy?
Lemon squeezy.
That's great. Okay, let's go for the other one. Now we learned that whom comes instead of the object. But sometimes whom has two situations or two cases. The first case, if you want to know what should I put who or whom, you have the first one, that whom comes after a preposition. يعني if you find in a sentence, for example, I put for you blank. طيب, to blank should we go for advice. If you see a preposition at the beginning, then على طول I will put whom. I will put whom immediately. Why? Because the object can be two cases. It can be prepositional object like this one because it comes after a preposition, or sometimes it could be a direct object. Direct object, it wouldn't have a preposition in the sentence. It will come alone. طيب, how would I know, ya miss? Again, you will search for the verb like this one. If I put a blank, should we ask? What should I put, who or who? Or who or whom? You will ask yourself. Then you will come to ask yourself, who is the verb? Should we ask? Where's the verb? Huh?
No verb.
No verb?
Oh, should we ask? Should we ask?
Ask is the verb. Ask is the verb. طيب, should here we call it helping verb. يعني it's like accessory. It doesn't matter. But the main verb in the sentence is what? Ask. Should we ask? So the verb ask. طيب, the word that comes before it, what is it?
We.
And we know that always the subject comes before the verb. So this one is subject or object?
Subject.
Subject, excellent. So this is subject. Then خلاص, we have subject, we have verb. So what is the missing?
Object.
Object. So we should put what? We should put whom.
Whom.
Whom. Understood, my girls? This is how you solve the puzzle. Search for the verb, the first step, search for the verb, and then see if there is a word before it and it is a subject, then خلاص, the missing is what? Is object, then I will put whom. But if I have the verb and there is no word before it, there is no subject, and there is word after it, then we have object. What is the missing? It will be the subject that is missing, and then I will put who. Does that make it easy for you, girls?
Yep.
Great. Let's go right now to apply this on exercises, and I want you to open your
311.
in the page 311.
311.
So the page 311. Let me see first who is absent today. Okay, who is absent? Who is absent? Tina. Tina is absent. And we have Fairuz, Jody, Jana, Tala, Amal, Maria. Okay. Then the absent one is Tina. Okay, my girls. Oh, I forgot to give her the absentees.
Let's get started.
Let's get it started and read the first question.
Miss,
Yeah.
can I know. Please tell it.
Tala.
Okay. Write subject, object, or preposition or direct object to identify how the underlined word is used. Who likes cheerleading? Is subject.
Excellent. So right now you have to write subject, object of a preposition, or direct object. You have to determine. So when I say who likes cheerleading, it is what, ya Tala, you said?
Subject.
Subject. Excellent. Why you choose its subject?
Because subject goes with who, and there's the object and the verb, but there's no subject.
Amazing answer. Super answer. You get a star for this super answer, Yatala. Amazing job. Number 2, my girls. Who can do number 2?
Please.
Fairuz, go ahead, Fairuz.
Jim is the one for whom the crowd is applauding.
So whom here is what? Subject or object first?
Object.
Object. Very good. Now you will see the object. Is it a prepositional object or direct object?
Oh.
Search before it. Is there a preposition before it? It will be prepositional. If there's no preposition, then direct object. What do you think?
Direct.
See the sentence carefully.
Direct direct.
Why? Why direct?
Wait.
I said if there is a
That's
preposition.
normal
Feroz.
object. Normal.
Huh? So direct object.
Object of verb.
Feroz, it's direct. Direct is like
Miss,
object. That
What
there's
does preposition mean?
Girls,
That's like to or like for,
preposition
like
group
the
with
word
verb, which is
for.
to, for, from, into. All of these are prepositions. Okay? With
Yeah.
all of them are preposition. So now search in the sentence. Is there a preposition, ya Feroz? Before whom?
Mm. Yes. No.
What is it?
Yeah. For. It's the
For. Excellent. So we have for. This is the preposition. So this is what? Direct or prepositional object?
Preposition.
Excellent. So prepositional object. Nice job. Number 3, yeah, Jury.
Maria.
Jury.
Yes.
Number 3.
Everyone who is watching was impressed.
So subject or object?
Subject.
Subject. Very good. Why do you choose subject, طيب?
Because the who is subject.
Because who, it's related to subject and it comes before the verb. What is the verb? Watching. Is watching. So it comes before it, then this is subject. Amazing, ya Jury. طيب, number 4.
I want to do number 4. Me, Amal.
Maria. Number 4 for you.
Whom will the judges select? Subject.
Whom.
Direct object.
Yes, it's object. So it's direct object or prepositional object?
Direct.
Direct object. Excellent. Why?
Because it's in the beginning of the sentence.
And there's no what? There's no
Preposition.
Excellent. There's no preposition before it. Amazing. Jude, number 5 for you. Jude, are you there? طيب Jude, prepare yourself. You will take 6. I will take Amal for 5. Hi, Amal.
To whom were you speaking? Object.
Object. Excellent. But what kind of object? Direct or preposition?
Direct.
Are you sure?
Yeah.
Okay. Why is it direct?
No, it's prepositional.
Are you sure?
Yeah,
Why?
because there is two.
Excellent. So we have, I wanted to see if you are with me or not. So prepositional object. Why? Because there is a preposition before it, which is to. You see right here too. This is one of the preposition. For one of the preposition. If you see it before whom, يبقى على طول prepositional object. طيب, number 6 يا
Feroz, please. Feroz.
I chose Jude. Hi, Jude. Underline who or whom to complete each sentence correctly. Read number 6 and tell me what do you think we should choose.
Would you like something to drink?
Hmm?
Home.
Okay. Read the sentence.
Yeah, she read it and she said whom.
She didn't read anything. I didn't hear her. Did you read the sentence, Jude?
Yeah. Who would like something to drink?
Okay, so what do you think we should choose?
Mhm.
Who or whom? What do you think?
Whom?
Whom? We should choose this one. Why? Okay, you choose whom, but why? Okay, search with me for the
Miss,
verb.
I know.
No, don't talk yet, Ala. Where's the verb, Jude? Where's the verb in the sentence? Tell me. Huh? Where is the verb?
Drink.
Drink is the verb. This is the only verb here, or there's something before it? Just answer me. Why you're scared? Come on. Even if you have a mistake, it's okay. Come on. Where's the verb? You said drink. Is it the only verb in the sentence? Drink?
No.
Where's the other one then? Would like something to drink. Something is verb. Okay. Would like here is the first verb we have, and to drink is not a verb actually, it's a prepositional phrase. So we have would like here is a verb. طيب. We have the blank here before the verb. So should we put who or whom? We said before the verb, what comes? Subject or object, ya Jude? Before the verb, what comes? Remember the burger. We have the burger. The meat is the verb. Before the verb, what do we have? Before the verb, what do we have? Give me answer. Subject or object? Jude.
Subject.
Yes, talk to me. Why you're scared? What's going on? I'm asking you. It's okay. So we have subject before the verb. Excellent job. طيب, we said that some of these words stand instead of the subject. Is it who or whom? What do you think?
Whom?
Whom? Whom or who? You choose for me. The first or the second? Tell me.
Second.
No, it's the first. Because who we said, remember, ya Jude, we said who stands instead of the subject. And what is the missing here in the sentence is the subject. So we need subject. So I will choose who. If I need object, I will go for whom. Understood, sweetie? Okay, next one. Let's go for Mariana. Are you there, Mariana?
Yeah.
Okay, number 7 for you.
Stu is the person to whom you should give your money.
So who or whom?
Whom?
To? The first or the second? Because I can't hear you properly, girls. The first.
Whom?
Whom, excellent. The second one, so whom. Why did you choose this one? Can you tell me why? Why did you choose whom?
Because there's no object.
Because there's no object. Excellent. So we have Sue is the person who to whom you should give your money. So right here I will go to search for the subject, which is give. This is the verb. Where is the subject? You. So you should give. This is the subject and the verb. What is missing is the object. So I will choose object. And also before the blank right here, what we have is to. So since I have to and there is a preposition, I will choose immediately whom. Number 8, yeah, Jana.
Yes.
Yes, Jana. Number 8 for you.
Okay, he is the flu with who or
The
whom
fellow.
I went to the
Concession.
stand.
So who or whom? Search for
Who.
the verb right here. Where is the verb? Here.
I went.
So the verb is went. Okay.
Okay.
What is the subject?
There's no subject.
There's no subject. Okay, so what should I choose?
Who?
Who. So he is the fellow who I went to the concession stand. But here, if you notice, yeah, Jana, we have I. Remember the pronoun I stand instead of me. So I here is the subject. I went. So subject is I, verb is went, and what is missing is what is the object. So what I need to put here is whom.
Whom.
Okay. Number 9. Judy. Are you there, Judy?
Yes.
Okay, number 9 for you. Read the sentence.
Anyone watches gymnastics meets gets thirsty.
Okay. So where's the word that I should pick? Is it who or whom? The judges who are volunteers do a fantastic job. Excellent. I will choose who. Great job. Number 10, Yamaria.
The judges or volunteers do a fantastic job. Whom?
Just a minute. Whom. The judges whom are volunteers do a fantastic job. Why did you choose whom?
Because the judges are subject and our volunteers is object.
But remember, this is something tricky for you, girls. Remember, when I search for the verb, or the subject, I don't search in anything before the blanket, the brackets. يعني he put for me who and whom here, صح? Then I will search in the sentence after it. This is the sentence I should search about the verb and the subject. I will come to this sentence. طيب, where is the verb here? Who can tell me? Hi, Maria. What is the verb?
Do a fantastic.
Do, this is the verb. طيب. So do a fantastic job. Okay, I know what I'm doing. I'm doing a fantastic job. But who is doing? I don't know.
The volunteers.
The volunteers is what?
Doing a fantastic job.
But here, where's the verb we said? The verb is do. What is after it? A fantastic job, right? So this is the object. What is missing here?
The subject.
Subject. So what is the subject?
Our volunteers.
Yes, I didn't really understand the lesson.
Oh my God. What is the complicated about it? Girls, you have to see the brackets here, and then you see the sentence after it. Search for the verb, and then the verb will determine if there's something after it. This is object. Then I have object and verb. What is the missing? The missing is subject. What is stand instead of the subject? Who? But if I have, for example, right here, I have I went. I have a subject and I have a verb. What is missing? Object. Then I will choose whom.
So like if the subject goes before the verb, but the object goes after the verb.
Yes. And always search in the sentence behind the brackets here. This is the one that we focus on. Yani don't read from the beginning and say, oh, this is the verb here. No, don't take this one. Take this one after the brackets. Okay? Then you search على طول on the verb. This is the first step. The first step, search for the verb. If you find the verb, then see if there's some word before it, and this word is a pronoun or a name, then would be what? The subject. If I found the subject, then what is missing is the object, then I will choose whom.
Okay.
But if there's no subject and I found object like this one here, a fantastic job, this is an object. So what is the missing? The missing is what? The subject, then I will go for whom. Understood?
Yep.
Okay. طيب, let's go Tala. Number 11 for you. Yep.
Okay. Whom shall we invite next time?
So which sentence you are going to search about the verb?
After the brackets.
Okay, so where's the verb?
The verb is invite.
Invite, amazing. This is the verb. Is there any subject came with it?
Yes.
Where?
We,
excellent job. Now we have subject and we have verb. Who invite? We invite. Then what is the missing?
the object.
Object. So who or whom?
Whom.
Whom. Ya salam alayk. Excellent. Now is it easy? You understand it, girls?
Yes.
Good. Yalla, Amal, number
I want to
for
do
you.
next one.
12 for you, Amal.
It should be some with who or whom you can spend hours.
Mhm. So which sentence should we search? This one or this one?
The one at the last.
Excellent. This one we are going to search in it. You can spend hours. So what is the verb?
You is the subject,
Subject
and the
is you.
verb is spend.
Excellent. Can spend is the verb. So what is missing?
The object,
The
so
object.
we should choose whom.
Boom. Amazing job. Yeah, Amal. Now you master it. Yalla Mariana, number 13 for you.
Actors whom are veterans bring seat cushions for the bleachers.
Okay, so where's the verb? The verb. Our veterans bring seat cushions for the bleachers. So what is the verb here?
Bring?
Bring. Excellent. This is the verb. Good. Now, is there subject before it?
Yes.
Where?
Veterans.
No, but this is not a subject. Why? Because our veterans. We can't say that our veterans is the subject. Why? Because if you complete the sentence, you will find that our veterans, for example, if you close it from our veterans and you start the sentence, طيب? Imagine it. Our veterans bring seat cushions for bleachers. Is this sentence correct?
No.
No. So our veterans is not a subject. If the subject is there, the sentence would make sense. But if you start a sentence with are, this is a helping verb. So I can't consider it as a subject. So the subject here is missing. What do I have after it? Bring seat cushions for the bleachers. So what they bring? They bring seat cushions. So this is the object. طيب, I have object and I have verb. So what is the missing, ya Mariana?
Subject.
Subject. Where is the subject? Who or whom?
Who?
Who. Excellent job. Fairuz, number 14 for you.
Okay.
Miss, but
14.
there is R before the.
Yes, this is what I'm telling you. Yes, they put it sometimes to what? Because sometimes we need who and are after it to complete the sentence. Like spectators who are veterans bring seat cushions for the bleachers. Okay? So who is the real subject right here is spectators actually. But we said that we have to focus after the brackets. Like if I come here after the brackets and read the sentence it would start like this. Our veterans bring seat cushions for the bleachers. If I read it this way, then it doesn't make sense. There's something missing. You can't start sentence by saying our veterans bring seat. طيب, who are they? We don't understand. So what is missing here is the subject, because if you have a real subject, then it will make sense. So to make sure also, if I complete the sentence, I will find there is object at the end. So the object is there, it's not missing. So what is the missing? The missing على طول is the subject. So what we need is who. Okay?
Okay.
يلا فيروز number 14. I can't hear you. Raise your voice or fix the mic, yeah, Fayrouz. You're like talking to your stomach. I can't hear anything. Hello.
What
Remove
about
the mic.
now? Okay,
Yes,
now it's good.
yes, now it's good. Yes, everybody.
Everybody whom sits through the entire gymnastics meet gets sore.
Mhm. So read the sentence after who and whom. Read this one from here to here. Read it. Sits through the entire gymnastic meet, gets sore. So what is the verb?
Is it whom?
Whom. Excellent. Why did you pick? Is it whom? No, it's not whom. Sorry.
M.
No, no. Where is the verb? Tell me the verb. It's not by guessing. Where's the verb?
Gymnastics.
Verb.
Oh. I can't hear you well though. You're lagging.
You're the
No,
one who's
she's
talking
not
to some.
lagging.
What?
Her voice is very low.
Yeah.
Yeah, and also the mess is not lagging.
Listen.
Yeah.
Sits is the verb. Okay? This is
Oh.
the verb. طيب يلا read the words after it. Everything after it we will call it what? We will call it subject or object after the verb.
Object.
Object. So what is the missing?
Everybody.
What is missing from whom or who?
Everybody is missing, wallah.
Oh.
Everybody is missing. We have verb, we have verb, and we have object. What is the missing? The subject is missing. So I would
Oh
choose
yeah. So it's who?
who. Excellent job. Okay, Judy, number 15 for you.
Yes.
Yes, Judy, number 15.
For whom is the meat the most fun?
Okay, this is very easy, Judy. You don't have to search for the verb. You can solve it with a different way. If you are, yani, if you understand the lesson, you can answer.
Miss, I know what's the way.
What's the way to choose who or whom without looking to the verb? Judy.
Is it whom?
Whom. Okay, why did you choose whom?
Because who doesn't match with the sentence?
No, this is not the way though. Tala, can you help her, Tala?
Yes, I can.
Okay, what to choose who or whom without looking to the verb? How I can determine?
It's who, because there is a preposition.
It's whom because there's a preposition. Excellent job. And we remember
Miss,
that.
also, Jude is like me when I didn't understand the lesson in Arabic.
Me too.
You didn't understand it in Arabic?
No, like not the same lesson. It's like another one. It's like another kind of lesson. It's about the plural things. And then I said to my mom in the test, because it matches.
Yeah, sometimes if it's hard for you to understand something, then you will use your sense, which is that you will read the sentence, the one that you should feel it's matching, then you will choose it. But this is if you don't understand. But if you know the way of choosing, خلاص, it will be easy. Here, I told Jury, you can pick without looking to the verb, because what you notice here, we have for. And we said for is a preposition. So we learned that there's two kinds of the objects, whom. It comes with the prepositional object, if we have preposition like for or to or for, and sometimes it comes at direct. Since I have before the brackets, I have here for, then على طول I will go for whom without looking to the verb. This is super easy for me. Okay, but if I don't have preposition like this one, I don't have preposition in here in number 11. So this is why I will go to search for the verb in the sentence behind it to see where is the verb. When I see the verb, then okay, I have verb. Like, is there a subject? If there's any word that comes before the verb and it will give you a subject, then this is the subject. So what is the missing? The missing is object. Then على طول I will go for whom. Okay? طيب, cross out mistakes in the use of who or whom, and in the paragraph, write the correct pronoun. Okay. The girls watched her older brother, whom was turning cartwheels. So here he put for me whom, and I will read the sentence after it. Was turning cartwheels. This is the verb. Who was turning? I don't know. Turning what? Turning cartwheels. This is the object. I have object and verb. What is the missing? Is it whom? I should put whom here? What do you think?
No.
No, I should put what, Mariana?
Who?
Who. Excellent. So here I should cross whom and put who because he is mistaken. So this one is wrong and I will put who instead.
Miss, we have break now.
I know, I just have to finish this page. Come on. He wondered whom else might be looking. So else might be looking. Where's the verb? Looking. And where is the verb?
He.
Looking. So
He.
is what?
Oh,
What is the missing? Then I have a verb which is looking, but I don't have a subject. Then this is what should be who.
who?
Number 18, right here, who, the girl. I will cross it and put whom because I don't have an object. Number 19, it will be whom. I will cross it and put who. Who had been doing laundry. And number 20 is the same. Okay, my girls, we're done from this subject. So have a nice day. Bye-bye.
Bye.
Bye.